Most people panic when their Best Buy gift card stops working, but here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the card is perfectly fine. The real issue is usually a small mistake in activation, entry, or system sync that can be fixed in minutes. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your Best Buy gift card is not working in 2026, the most common reasons behind the error, and step-by-step fixes that actually solve the problem so you can use your balance without stress. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how it works. A gift card from Best Buy must be activated and properly applied inside your account or during checkout. If anything breaks in that process, the system may show an error or refuse the balance. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They try to use the card immediately without checking activation status. If you bought the card from a store, sometimes it is not fully activated at the register. So before anything else, confirm the card is active by checking your receipt or asking the store. But here's where it gets interesting. Even if your card is activated, incorrect entry is the #1 reason it fails. People confuse similar characters like 0 and the letter O, or they accidentally add a space while typing. The system does not correct you. It simply rejects the code. So the first real fix is simple. Re-enter the code slowly and carefully. If it is a digital card, copy and paste it directly without adding spaces at the beginning or end. Now here's another issue most people ignore. Your account session or browser can cause hidden errors. If you are checking out on a browser with old cookies or cached data, the system may not recognize the gift card. Jake ran into this problem where his card was valid, but the checkout kept failing. So the fix is to switch environments. Try using the official app, refresh the page, or open an incognito window. This removes hidden glitches instantly in many cases. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Region or store mismatch can also block your card. Some Best Buy gift cards only work in specific countries or store systems. If your account region does not match, the card will not apply, even if the code is correct. So always double-check your account country settings before retrying. But here's the problem. Even after everything is correct, the system itself can sometimes delay updates. Best Buy servers can occasionally lag during high traffic, especially during sales events. In that case, waiting 10 to 20 minutes and trying again often fixes the issue automatically. Now let's cover checkout mistakes. Many users forget to actually apply the gift card before payment. They expect it to auto-deduct, but sometimes you need to manually select it under payment methods. If you skip this step, it will look like the card is not working. If nothing works, the final step is contacting support with your card details and receipt. In most real cases, they can verify the balance and fix the issue quickly. So here's the simple summary. Most issues come from activation problems, incorrect entry, browser glitches, region mismatch, or checkout mistakes. And once you fix these, your gift card usually works instantly. If this helped you solve the issue, like the video. Drop a comment with your problem, and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides that save you time and frustration every day.